But until then, this strategy has been an awesome strategy for smaller size accounts because it's darn near like day trading, but not day trading. And the way we teach it, it is absolutely phenomenal. So most of the time, you should exit the trade within 45 minutes of market time. Now, you guys, this is our specialty here at Dorian Trader. This is what, this is one of the things I should say that completely differentiates us from everyone else out there in the markets. Let me give you kind of some background here on this trade, the setup. So here at Dorian Trader, we believe that it's crazy important that you understand how to set the trade up initially, because that is what you can control 100%. You can control 100% of everything that's going on when you're setting up the trade, when you're putting on the trade. And so you want to cross all T's, dot all I's. You want to make sure everything is covered when you're going through the setup process. And so at Dorian Trader, we have this process with this trade. We say that number one, you should have $5,000 for every contract you start the trade with. So if you have only $5,000, you can do this trade. If you only have $5,000, and that's what we recommend everyone start with at Dorian Trader, start with at least 5K. With this trade, until you learn the cadence, till you learn the dance, till you learn the process, we tell everyone, regardless if you had $1 million account, to start with 5K. Start with just doing one contract until you learn the process. That is the max you will use during the cycle of the trade is 5K if you start with one contract. If you start with two contracts, then you're starting with 10K. If you start with three contracts, then you're starting with 15K. Now I'm going to repeat this one more time. If you start with 20K, then you're starting with four contracts and then so forth. It's a linear process. The more money that you have, the more contracts you can start with. Once you know the process, once again, I can't stress that more. If you do not understand the process, you have no business doing even one contract. Because if you can make 1 to 2% daily, and that's the goal with this trade, on the capital allocated to it, literally you can do that. Every single time you do it, you can make 1 to 2% a day. In January, I had almost 15% on this trade. And in February, it's not over yet, but in February, I should be able to do better than that. Understanding that this trade is crazy powerful, making 1% a day on average, you can easily get 100% in a year with this type of trade. A number of you know that with day trading. This is not day trading. This is a 1 DTE trade. You don't have to have $25,000 in your account at this point to overcome the day trading pattern rule, which is going to be gone in the next 2 months or so anyway. But until then, this strategy has been an awesome strategy for smaller size accounts because it's darn near like day trading, but not day trading. And the way we teach it, it is absolutely phenomenal. You're going to win and win and win some more. And the market is going to have to do something extraordinary to beat you if you learn the steps that we teach. But the only way you can learn these steps is that you have to have discipline. You have to be able to follow the process. And following the process is understanding the setup. If you wanted to start with 20 contracts, then you should have $100,000 in your account. It's risky with this trade. And you have to understand how to say uncle at times. Because believe it or not, you guys, you can lose several times, at least twice in a year, 20% of your account and still hit 50% with this type of strategy that we teach. But you have to have the discipline to say uncle. You cannot have a loss larger than 20% at the worst case scenario. You want to have losses a lot smaller than that, obviously. But I'm trying to motivate you, trying to help you understand this picture at a 10,000 foot view that you're going to win a lot. And when the trade goes poorly and you can't get out of it, you have to say uncle at some point. You have to have the discipline to do that because it's about fighting or living to fight another day. It's not always having to win every battle. It's about winning the war. It's about being able to take monies from these markets to be able to, at the very least, supplement your income. And if you have bigger aspirations, making trading your primary source of income. You guys, it's nothing like making money off money. Man, it's just, when I say that, it's just, sends goosebumps through me because I just absolutely love these markets. Absolutely love making money off money. And if you decide to join the Dorian Trader, you're going to see this passion on a daily basis. You're going to see me putting on several different type of trades, and one of them is this one. I put it on almost every day, like I said. And I love when the market opens, and a lot of times I've made my money within the first 10 minutes of the market open on this 1DT trade. I made the money and I'm out of it. Guys, we have members that have went as many as 86 times in a row of winning on this trade. This is a process. If you learn the cadence, if you learn the dance that we're talking about here, you're going to feel empowered. You're going to feel like you can take monies from these markets and it's not luck. So first step is you need 5K for every contract. The goal is trying to make 1 to 2% daily. What we do is we check the VIX rule of 16. This is the setup, you guys. The VIX rule of 16, it just means you take whatever the VIX is and you divide it by 16. So if the VIX was trading at 16, which it's not right now, but if it was trading at 16 and you divide it by 16, that's going to equal 1%. This is the 2 times expected move percentage. So the market is expecting at 2 standard deviation move to be about 1%. And so we use this as a gauge. We want to be at least 1% if the VIX was at 16%. We want to be at least 1% away if we can. That's the ideal situation. Actually, more than that is ideal. So the setup of the trade is based on 2 times the at-the-money straddle price. Now, and I said this is not a basic webinar, but the at-the-money straddle price looks like this, you guys. Let's say we were going to do 2 days expiration here because it's the weekend. Now, if I bought this straddle here, it's going to tell me down here that the one-time expected move, this is kind of the back of the envelope kind of calculation of what the market is expecting the SPX, the S&P 500 to expire within 49.25 here. And then this is the same thing the option platforms that specialize in trading give you. So that just say it's 50 here that Tasty Trade is saying. So we take that 50 and we times it by 2, and that equals 100. So what we do is we take that 100 and we add it to where it's currently trading at, and we subtract it from where it's trading at. This is the setup of the trade. We're trying to be at least 100 points away from where it's currently trading. 68% of the time, it's going to expire within the 50 points, right? That's what option probabilities are based on. It's based on the time of expiration, not a second before, not a second after. And 68% of the time, it's going to fall within that expected move when you put the trade on. And so we're trying to be 2 times that expected move with the setup. You can already understand now how you can win a lot already. Now we go to number 4. So we're selling an iron condor no higher than a 10 delta on both sides. So this is criteria, you guys. This is criteria that we provide. I'm not giving you every step, but we're giving you some serious meat here on this webinar. Some serious meat. So an iron condor is when you sell a put spread and a call spread simultaneously. You are inherently neutral. You don't want it to go down a ton. You don't want it to go up a ton. If it stays in between that iron condor, that's how you make money. And we put it on all the time. So let's just say it was trading at 69.09. So let's just say that 100 points up is 67.10. So we sell this 67.10 and we're going to normally do a 20-point wide spread. Okay. And on the bottom side, let's just say 68.10. 100 points down. That's a 13 delta there. So we're not going to go to a 13 delta. We're going no higher than a 10 delta. So we're going to be further away on this put side. We do a 20-point wide spread. This is only giving us $95, right? It's only giving us $95. If you go here, you can see that we want at number 5, we want to collect at least $100 after fees and commissions. Not $100 before, but after fees and commissions. So if we jump over here and we say, okay, well, the put side is at a 10 delta. I can't go any higher than that. So if I'm going to get more premium, I have to move up the call side. So what we'll do is just move the call side from this 2 delta. Maybe we'll move it up to this 3 for example purposes here. And so boom, now we got the 115. This is going to give us more than $100 after fees and commissions. So now this trade works out for us. On the put side, you're going to normally be able to get at least 2 expected moves away, at least 2 standard deviations away. On the call side, you're going to most of the time be 1.5 standard deviations away. Okay, 1.5 expected moves away. But if you can be that 2%, then that's great. But the risk with this type of trade is skewed to the downside. Okay, and that's fine. That's fine. You're going to be able to win a lot of times with this trade. You guys, on everything I do at the Dorian Trader, besides earnings plays, and that's more of an engagement play, I have at least a 95% win rate. But it's not because I'm some brilliant master trader. It's because of the process that we teach and the discipline I try to always have. No one's perfect. You can do this. This is an iron condor. If you're new to this kind of concept, you will learn it. No worries. Now, I'm just going to show you this. An iron condor is when you sell a put spread. This is the put spread. And you sell a call spread. This is the call spread simultaneously. And you want it to stay inside of this range, inside of the short leg on the put side and the short leg on the call side here, these red images here. If it does that, this is your win zone, this green area here. This is where you win. If it goes down too much, you can lose. If it goes up too much, you can lose. But your loss is always defined because of the put that you bought due to that put spread, and the call that you bought due to that call spread. Okay? Now, if we jump back over here, and it says you want to set a profit target order. And see, at Dorian Trader, we're trying to make 1 to 2% every day. So if we start with 5K and we're trying to make 1%, that would equal $50. We're trying to make $50 a day off 5K. That's 1%. If you want to get to 2%, that would be $100. If you started with 10K, I'm repeating this again so you can understand, 1% would be $100, and 2% would be $200, and so forth. As you scale up, that can be meaningful. If you did this 4 times in a week and you started with $5,000 and you're trying to make $50 a day, well, that's $200 in the week. 2 times 4 is $800. You just made $800 in a month in a 28-day period. Now, what can you do with an additional $800 that you have taken from these markets, that you've made money off money? What can you do? Right? Can you take care of groceries for your family for the month? Can you take care of a car payment? Can you pay most of your mortgage? Can you take your significant other out for an amazing night out on the town? What can you do with an additional $800? So most of the time, you should exit the trade within 45 minutes of market time. Now, you guys, this is our specialty here at Dorian Trader. This is one of the things I should say that completely differentiates us from everyone else out there in the markets, is that we have structure, a crazy amount of structure on this trade. And our goal is literally to be in this trade for 45 minutes of market time.